Hello Tattoo Shop Talk. Today we're doing science and we will check like exaggerated version of how cross-contamination and bad stuff spreads in theory. And we have our boss man.
This is the bad stuff.
This is the bad stuff. He's not working on a daily basis with tattoos, but he knows what's going on, so he will show in his opinion how stations are set up and broken down and commented on it a bit. So we have our improvised station, armrest, which will be also a customer, and some magic. Let's start.
And after I tattoo you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
No rush, no pressure.
Let's get started with cleaning up the hands. Pretty good. That's how I would like it.
What do we do with plastic and why?
The plastic we take away after, and that means that all the bacteria and stuff that have been on there will be on the plastic and not on the surface. So anyway, that more or less will work. And what I could do to make it comfortable is to put a piece of paper here, but it actually might have make it comfortable because the other stuff can get sweaty.
It's a rough idea.
Rough idea. Okay, we already put spray on here, but you just put it in plastic, and we don't use too little because you never know where the stuff is going. In this case, less is not more. We'll need a good cord. We will need this little piece we put here. To work. Double safe. Better safe than sorry. Little plastic cover over here. I think it's time to put on the gloves. And this is a demonstration. Probably I wouldn't wear my watches. It's not the coolest idea because they're not the easiest thing to clean. Time for the machine. Time for the needle. Some people would put the plastic around the machine. Some find it annoying. Whatever, it's possible to do. It's also possible to clean the machine. So, whatever. And we have our clip cord right here. And more or less we are ready to go. So we put our new pair of gloves and
We're ready for our session, yeah?
now we are more or less ready. Now we would set up the colors and play with that.
Okay. So we have our session set. Imaginary things are there. Everything is covered. Customer is ready. Grab the machine. Now it's the fun part. I have a bag with powder, which I'm terrified to use. Put your machine there. Like imagine like you are tattooing something there. Well, a bit more just to be safe. Since it's first time experiment, imagine that's actually cocaine. And I'm like, well, our customer's tattoo is done, so it's time to break the station down and see how our imaginary blood might spread. Let's see how it looks now. Okay, the blood is shining. Let's get a close-up. So that right there is our imaginary blood.
Yeah.
So this is our blood covered hands, customer.
And close.
Oh wait, yep, shine on close. Shine on that. Power supply. That would be where the inks are, machine, maybe a bit on the floor. Or not. Okay, now let's break down the station and all the shit. We have a bin there, we have a stuff for the needle, we have our improvise the two artists.
Improvise two artists is the one by getting rid of the most dirty part. Change my gloves. Okay. I need to get this away.
Yeah, throw that machine in the bin as well, man. If I can.
It's easier than to clean it.
You know, poor man does what it can, rich man does what they want.
For the last part, it would probably be very nice to clean everything off.
No, we exaggerate. Be like, apprentice, before you suck my clean the floor. That's the more real life scenario. Okie dokie. We done. Chair. I think chair should be fine because it was covered. See the armrest.
The armrest is full of shit.
It's maybe dust, you know, that was before. Look at the station.
Listen. The machine's full.
Yeah. All the bits where you basically touch machine and
Yeah. Some stuff like the arms. Clothes.
power supply had a bit of accident, and the floor was mopped, like cleaned afterwards.
Yeah.
But it's all there.
Oh, the face. There's some under the eye and on the nose.
I can't show that face on YouTube.
Oh, and the trash can was dirty too.
Okay, Mr. Lars Peterson, what did we learn with this experiment?
First of all, I learned that never use UV light in a tattoo shop. Use
Yeah.
it in a disco. And second, I learned, of course, that you can never, ever, ever be 100% safe, I think. But do as much as you can. It gets up the expenses, but like everybody could see, that even when you try hard to get it clean, it's difficult, so you cannot try hard enough.
So
Better safe than sorry.
be careful what you touch in this age of people being sensitive.